Hello guys, baby Yanji is eating banana. We put and Ate Sia also. We put her banana. We put his bananas here so that he will not choke. Yummy. It's banana. This is his snacks. And also Ate Sia eating banana and grahams. Very good Ate Sia. Baby Angie also eating banana.
What a messy face.
It's okay, Ate. Because he is eating banana, Ate. Yummy banana. Baby Angie loves the banana.
Give him more banana.
Yeah, after he finished this. Yummy. After Ate Sia taking shower, she's having a snacks of banana and grahams, and Baby Angie's banana. Yeah, eating together. Yummy, yummy.
Just bye-bye.
Bye-bye.